Day after Christmas, 2010. There's a Christmas tree. Getting a little bit of snow out there today. And it's been snowing about an hour and a half or so. Looks like it's going to get it, supposedly. 1.5 feet. Blizzard conditions later on today. And it's pretty wet and gnarly out there. Currently watching the Jets game at the Packers. Oh yeah, it's snowy. Okay. Let's take a quick look out back.